Welcome to Coogee Beach, a sparkling gem nestled in Sydney's eastern suburbs. It's easy to see why Coogee Beach is so popular, with its wide sandy shore, vibrant atmosphere, and safe swimming areas. It draws locals and tourists in huge numbers, as you can see from the crowds here today. Today we're taking you on a stunning coastal walk from Coogee to Bronte Beach, one of the most scenic routes in all of Sydney. Just a little further along this coastline is the iconic Bondi Beach, about 6 kilometers from Coogee if you continue the whole way. We're starting right here at the Coogee Pavilion, a buzzing local spot known for its rooftop views, good food, and laid-back, beachy vibes. From here, we head into Dunningham Park, a grassy space perfect for picnics and family time, with gorgeous views out to the ocean. The shady trees lining the edge add to the relaxed, breezy feel. You'll also notice native Australian plants here, like grevillea and bottlebrush, adding bursts of color and attracting local birdlife. Next up is Bali Memorial, and then the path curves past Coogee Cliffs, dramatic sandstone cliffs that drop straight into the sea. We make a quick stop at Gordon's Bay, rocky cove loved by snorkelers and divers. There's even an underwater nature trail here if you're keen to explore marine life. The walk itself is part of the famous coastal walk, winding along the cliff edge with ocean views at every step. Soon we reach Clovelly, where the water is clear and inviting. It's not always calm, but today we saw people swimming, snorkeling, and diving right off the concrete platforms. Clovelly Beach feels more like a giant ocean pool than a typical beach, and it's perfect for a refreshing dip. As we climb higher, we pass the Clovelly Bowling and Recreation Club. It's known as one of the most scenic places to play lawn bowls in Sydney. Further along, we reach the breathtaking Waverley Cemetery viewpoint, peaceful, historic, and with some of the most dramatic views of the walk. Past the Calba Place lookout, we continue along the path and arrive at Bronte Beach. We wrapped up the walk with a stroll past the Bronte shops and stopped in at the Bogey Hole Cafe for a well-earned lunch and a refreshing drink. Their menu features fresh salads, burgers, and coffee, and here's a shot of what we ordered. It tasted as good as it looks. This coastal walk has it all: beaches, cliffs, parks, and great spots to relax. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this walk. See you on the next adventure.